Question 15. Find the equation of a tangent to a line. Find क्या करना है? Equation of tangent to the curve. कर्व दिया हुआ है to curve y is equal to x square minus 2x plus 7, which is number 1 a parallel to the line, parallel to, this is symbol of parallel to the line 2x minus y plus 9 is equal to 0, and b part perpendicular to line 5y minus 15x is equal to 13. This is the question. We have to find equation of tangent. So now any point on the curve B, I will take, let the point be x1 y1. Let the point be x1 y1, so it satisfies curve y1 is equal to x1 square minus 2x1 plus 7. Now slope of tangent dy by dx, slope of tangent is equal to 2x minus 2. Now dy by dx at x1 y1, 2x1 minus 2. Now this slope, in first case, in a part, this slope is parallel to the line. This slope is parallel to the line, so it is given in a case slope of tangent equal to slope of line. Slope of tangent is equal to slope of line. What is the slope of line? Minus slope of tangent is this, and slope of line you can calculate here. It is slope of line. क्या होता है? I will take m is equal to minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of y. Minus coefficient of x का coefficient है 2 और y का है -1, so slope is 2. So slope of tangent is 2x1 minus 2, and slope of line we calculated here, it is 2, so put it here 2, take 2 common, x1 minus 1 is equal to 2. This is cancelled out, x1 minus 1 is equal to 1, x1 is equal to 2. Put in 1, put in 1, you will get y1 is equal to 2 का square minus 2 into 2 plus 7, this is 4 minus 4 plus 7, it means y1 is equal to 7. Point आ गया 2,7. So equation of tangent at 2,7, y minus y1 is equal to dy by dx x minus x1, y minus y1 is equal to, what is dy by dx? Dy by dx is 2, x minus 2, y minus 7 is equal to 2x minus 4, so it is 2x minus y, 7 को उधर ले जाइए तो ये plus 3 is equal to 0. This is the equation of tangent. Now b part, slope of line, इसमें slope of line क्या होगा? What is the slope of line in b part? इसका slope क्या होगा? In b part में slope of line क्या होगा? Slope of line b in b part, m इसको m1 मान लीजिए, इसका क्या हो जाएगा? slope minus coefficient of x minus 15 upon 5, this minus cut, this is 3. Slope of line is 3, तो slope of tangent क्या हो जाएगा? Slope of tangent क्या हो जाएगा? Slope of tangent हो जाएगा, ये perpendicular है तो tangent हो जाएगा -1 upon m1, so it is -1 by 3. It is -1 by 3. So condition हो गई slope of tangent is equal to slope of टेंजेंट एक्चुअल में कितना निकाला अपन ने, व्हाट इज द स्लोप ऑफ टेंजेंट, 2x1 minus 2 is equal to minus 1 by 3. Now take 2 common, so x1 minus 1 is equal to minus 1 by 3. So this implies x1 minus 1 is equal to minus 1 by 6, x1 is equal to 1 minus 1 by 6, then x1 is equal to 5 by 6. x1 क्या आ गया, 5 by 6. So x1 is 5 by 6. Now I will do here, the remaining part I will do here. Now x1 is 5 by 6, so put in equation 2, x1 is equal to I have 5 by 6, put in 1, so y1 is equal to 5 by 6 का whole square minus 2 into 5 by 6 plus 7, so y1 is equal to 25 upon 36 minus 10 upon 6 plus 7, so y1 36 you can take LCM, 25 minus 60 and 36 into 7, 7 6 are 42, 4 252 plus 25 252 77 है ना, 277 minus 60 upon 36, so it is 217 upon 36. y1 is 217 upon 36. So equation of normal at किस पॉइंट पे लेंगे, इक्वेशन ऑफ नॉर्मल एट x क्या था 5 by 6 217 upon 36, so you can calculate y minus y1 217 upon 36 and slope of line is minus 1 by 3 and x minus 5 by 6. Now you can solve, okay, take 36 LCM, 36y minus 217 upon 36, here you take 6 LCM minus 1 by 3 into 6 18, and this is 6x minus 5. Now 18 to the 36, so it is 36y minus 217 minus 6x is equal to minus 6x plus 5, minus 6x plus 5. Now you see that it is, now you can see that it comes to be, if you divide by 5 को इधर ले आइए तो it is minus 2 and 36y plus 6x and plus 220. You can solve.